Hey Zachary, how you doing? It's Leo again. This is a video that I wanted to get sent out to you. Again, it's just some tips that you can actually do and help you increase your business using your website and or your Google business profile. I'll give you some tips on both. And I'd love to hear some feedback from you. Now, as you see, Zachary, we've got your website pulled up right here. Love the RainTight Roofing and Construction logo. Um, beautiful houses, photos. But one thing I would say, and the biggest thing, is your content. You need a lot more content. Google loves content 24/7. Google sends bots out to crawl these sites, and they're going to see what your website's about. And you have to have enough content on here for those bots to be able to identify you and what you do. So roofing, Mobile. So they know that you're roofing in Mobile, Alabama. You just need a lot more content, something similar to that, okay? So a minimum of 1,500 words needs to go on your homepage, and throughout that content, you need to add buyer intent keywords. Now, buyer intent keyword is the service that you provide and the city that you provide the service. So if you had roofing, Mobile, Alabama, that is a buyer intent keyword because that's what people search. Roofers, Mobile, Alabama, roofing, Mobile, Alabama. When it comes to professionals, when it comes to professional roofing, Alabama, roofing, Mobile, Alabama residents are in luck with RainTight roofing and construction. Something like that. It's got to be strategically worded and it's got to be added amongst the content. So you definitely want to add at least you want a minimum of 1,500 words of command content on this home page. And you also want to make sure that you're saving your photos and videos as keywords too, because videos and photos count as content as well. RainTight roofing, Mobile, Alabama. Take out the RainTight. You got roofing, Mobile, Alabama. And that is a keyword. So technically that is a keyword in there. So you could kind of leave it like that or take out the roofing and it really busts it down to a keyword. Now, also notice that you don't have a click to call up here. Most of the people that are searching, almost 60% of people that are searching your services are searching from their cell phone. So having a click to call button up here makes it really accessible for them to call. And then sometimes people's a little more shy these days, so having a form submit up here or a chat feature or email feature where they can click right onto it will be a great thing to add as well. Now, what I've done is I've actually taken your website URL and put it into a tool I use called Ahrefs. And what it's going to do is just going to give me your analytics. So this is your UR and DR. UR is the strength of your website, and this is the trust of your website. And you have no backlinks registering right now. So the backlinks help power the strength and trust of your website. The backlinks are the cream of the crop. They're what's going to power everything. They are very, very important. So these numbers are out of 100, and you want to try to keep these balanced and continuously moving up. Now here's your number one competitors' numbers. That's 17 and 10 for the strength and trust. They've got 946 backlinks, and it's bringing 268 people to their website each month. Now you're being found for 7 organic keywords, and this is what people are actually typing into the Google search bar to find you. RainTight roofing, RainTight roofing. Siding contractors, Mobile, Alabama is a keyword that you're actually being found for, but you're not pulling any traffic. So the keyword difficulty is out of 100. The lower it is, the easier it is to rank. That's the whole reason I reached out to you, because there is insane volume in the Mobile area that you should be taking advantage of. Right now for this keyword, you're ranked 51 with 0 traffic being brought in. The only traffic you're bringing in right now is for people that's already searching for your services that know who you are. So you really want to attack the searches that people don't know who you are. So when someone puts in roofing, Mobile, Alabama, they're going to get in touch with you. Now, Mobile roofing and construction is kind of a keyword. It's 200 search volume a month and 2 KD. You're ranked 60 with 0 traffic. And again, it's because there's no power behind these keywords. Now, the way I found you was Mobile, Alabama roofers. I know that you're paying for the ads, and I know those can get costly, but ads are a good way to drive quick business. But once you stop paying for those ads, you're gone. And you're not even showing on the first page right now for these ads. Now down here is your map pack, and just like the ads, it only shows the top 3. You're not in the top 3 right now, and that's okay because there's multiple ways to get here. You want to make sure that you are constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number is exact same all across the internet because you don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. Make sure you get that filled out, and don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Also, by posting geotagged, geolocated photos weekly, it'll really help you rank organically. The keyword here is organic. If you're organically ranking, no one's going to knock you out of these spots unless someone starts to have more citations or more content, things like that. And that's what I do. I will help you identify things that we need to do to take over these top spots, and we'll attack it. Another thing is to add as many citations as you can find the time to add. That's putting your business name, address, and phone number in things like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp. So if you go to Yellow Pages and put in RainTight Roofing, make sure the full business name is in there, the address, and the phone number, and that is 1 citation. You want to get as many of those as possible because Google's just a big popularity contest, and the more information you share with as many directories as possible, it's going to start making Google trust you more and boost your business, not only in your area, but in your surrounding areas as well. Now, being in this map pack is going to give you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website and gives you a call from there. Down here is the organics. This is where you really want to be on the first page because 60 to 70% of your traffic is going to come from your organics. Now, this is your #1 competitor on the home page, and they've got some pictures, videos, form submits, things like that. But as you see, they don't have the content either. And there was just an update about content back in September that's really going to start knocking these sites out off the first page that doesn't have enough content. So you can see by implementing more content on your website than theirs, while adding those backlinks, keywords, and content, you can start out ranking these guys. Now, this is why I even reached out to you. It's because I've seen the massive volume that you're not taking advantage of. Look at this search volume. Again, the keyword difficulty is out of 100. The closer to 0, the easier it is to rank. These are all the keywords that you need to have in your content. 500, 350, 300, 200, 150, 150. Like, there is insane volume, around 2,000 search volume just for the Mobile, Alabama area. And if you serve more areas, we can add a locations page and attack those other areas as well. So by putting roofing Mobile, Alabama in your content, anytime someone's looking for roofers, Mobile, Alabama, you're going to get a ping for it. The more pings you get, the more you're going to start moving up in the ranks, and you're going to start capturing this volume. So Zachary, as you see, there's a decent amount of volume here. Again, once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website, and then a percentage of that's going to give you a call, and then depending on your close rate, you can turn these calls into customers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Zachary, hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.